नाज़रीन, आपको सीधा ले चलते हैं लोकसभा।
नहीं होगा, आप करिए, इसीलिए वी वांट केपीसी, वी डोंट वांट टू लिसन एनीथिंग।
माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, विपक्ष की तरफ से राफेल पर चर्चा की मांग की गई। सरकार चर्चा के लिए तैयार थी, चर्चा पूरी हुई। रक्षा मंत्री जी ने बिंदुवार सारी चीजों का जवाब दिया। दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी हो चुका है। इस मामले पर सुप्रीम कोर्ट का निर्णय आ चुका है। कोई भी अखबार को लेकर और इस प्रकार से सदन की कार्यवाही को बाधित करना, देश के बजट को बाधित करना, ये किसी भी प्रकार से उचित नहीं है। ये जो अखबार है, जो अखबार आप दिखा रहे हो, ये अखबार भी सही नहीं है। इस अखबार में ये नहीं लिखा है जिस प्रकार का अखबार आप दिखा रहे हो। और माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं आपसे अनुरोध करना चाहूंगा, जो विषय ने उठाया है, रक्षा मंत्री जी यहाँ उपस्थित हैं, वो अपना वक्तव्य रखेंगी।
Madam, thank you. Thank you very much, madam, for giving me this opportunity. I'd like to say, if they are really concerned about this matter and they've raised the issue based on a newspaper report, I'd like to point out a few things in this. If the newspaper itself has chosen to say or point out in detail the then Defense Secretary's comment, which was meant for the attention of the Raksha Mantri then, and the Raksha Mantri's reply was also given in written. If the newspaper wanted to bring the truth out, I would have thought it was incumbent on that newspaper to put that reply of the Raksha Mantri then also on record. And the opposition leaders who want a reply should now know what that reply of that then Raksha Mantri Shri Parrikar was. Then Raksha Mantri Shri Parrikar had very clearly said, in response to that, while noting of the Defense Secretary to remain calm, there's nothing to worry, things are going all right. To that extent was the detailed reply given by the then Raksha Mantri Shri Parrikar ji. In all fairness, it should have been the duty of the newspaper which has published this to also put it on record that for the comment of the Defense Secretary then, the reply given was this. I would like to remind you, Madam Speaker, that during my reply on 4th January, I had very clearly pointed out this particular allegation also about the suspected interference by the PMO, and gave a reply even on the 4th January about it, that when periodically PMO inquires about the progress of any work, that cannot be construed as interference. And I would like to remind you, madam, through you, I would like to remind the entire House, what was the interference by the National Advisory Council, NAC, led by Srimati Sonia Gandhi? Did she interfere? Was that interference? If that is interference, then talk about it.